If you're looking for a way to make money online, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to make money by just watching videos on YouTube. Just think of all the time that you spend watching videos on YouTube, now imagine getting paid to do it. Before get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. It's much simpler than you might imagine to make money by watching videos. It's a very simple way to make extra money because you probably already watch movies and advertisements online in your free time. There are many ways to watch videos for cash, and we'll go over the best ones in this video. Number 1. Watch videos for money on Swagbucks. If you haven't already, Swagbucks is a great place to start if you want to start earning money from quick tasks. You can get paid to watch videos, browse the internet, and take paid online surveys. Swagbucks offers a variety of video content, including viral videos, news videos, and advertisements. You might not make a lot of money or Swagbuck points, also known as SB, by watching videos on the website, but since it's such simple money, it's worth a shot. Additionally, your earnings will increase quickly if you use Swagbucks in addition to the other recommendations on this list. Number 2. Make money watching videos on InboxPounds. Like Swagbucks, InboxPounds operates in a similar manner. It enables you to get paid for extremely basic actions like watching videos and completing surveys. Again, you might not earn much money here, but you can earn more money if you complete more tasks besides watching videos. Number 3. ySense. One of the best websites for watching videos and making money is ySense. I've been using ySense for the past 8 years to work and earn money. You can start working on ySense by signing up here. In ySense, there are many tasks and offers that ask you to watch different videos and video ads in order to earn money. In ySense, you can also be compensated for completing online surveys. You can withdraw your earnings using Skrill, Payoneer, and PayPal. Number 4. InboxDollars. One of the most well-known and convenient websites for earning money by doing quick tasks like watching videos, playing games, shopping, etc. is InboxDollars. Vouchers and scratch cards can be earned. You are only allowed to watch so many videos each day. Number 5. Netflix. I know it may come as a surprise to you, but Netflix deserves to be on this list. Netflix frequently opens posts known as taggers. It is a lucrative job in which taggers watch a large number of new Netflix series and assign them to various tags. These specific tags assist Netflix in recommending these series to appropriate viewers. You can earn around $69,000 per year with this job. However, these positions are not always available. Netflix only hires 30 people for this position. Because the competition is fierce, you must remain vigilant. Number 6. AdFun. AdFun is a website that is distinct from other rewarding sites. People bid on prizes here. You can form a group or go it alone. AdFun allows people to interact with one another. You can earn money online by watching videos here. You then use the money you earn to bid on various prizes. The winner receives the prize, while the others receive nothing. You can take part in various bids, but make sure you have enough money points. To learn more about it, download the AdFun app. 7. Cointiply. Cointiply is a unique platform in that it pays you in Bitcoin for watching videos and performing other tasks. You can use Cointiply to make money online by watching videos, taking pictures, exercising, and so on. Cointiply rewards you with Satoshis for completing a task. 1 million Satoshi equals 1 Bitcoin. This is a great way to earn Bitcoin as well, but it requires a lot of patience. Number 8. Perk TV. Perk TV is a legitimate platform where you can earn money in minutes by performing simple tasks. You can earn PayPal money, points, and gift cards by watching ads, watching videos, playing games, searching the internet, and so on. The gift card can be used at Walmart and Target, and the cash can be redeemed through PayPal. What exactly are you waiting for? Use this platform to supplement your income. Number 9. Slidejoy. Slidejoy is a smartphone app for Android. It makes use of your lock screen to display video advertisements. You must unlock your phone to view the entire advertisement. You can earn carrots here by watching a video ad. 1 carrot is equal to $1. You can watch as many advertisements as you want and redeem your money through PayPal every 15 days. Number 10. Promote videos for companies online. In addition to being paid to watch videos, you could charge businesses to promote their videos and advertisements online. Sponsored posts are a common way for online influencers to earn money. While you don't need a large online following to do this, having a reasonable number of followers on social media and/or your own blog would be beneficial. The larger your audience, the more you can charge businesses to share their content with you. Of course, you must ensure that the videos you promote are useful and relevant to your target audience. If you share content that your followers do not engage with, it can have a significant impact on your online brand. Try reaching out to the influencer marketing departments of brands that you're interested in to discuss working together on a sponsored video post. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. You can easily earn an extra $100 $1,000 per year by simply watching videos. Isn't that incredible? Consider the big picture and put them to the test right away.